Potassium is the third most abundant mineral in the body, the primary intracellular cation responsible for nerve conduction, muscle contraction, cardiac rhythm, blood pressure regulation, and kidney function. Yet surveys consistently show that over 95% of American adults consume less than the adequate intake of 4,700 milligrams per day. The DASH dietary pattern, which reduced blood pressure by an average of 11 millimeters of mercury in clinical trials, is effective largely because it dramatically increases potassium from its typical American baseline. Understanding potassium deficiency means understanding one of the most consequential and overlooked nutrition gaps in the country. Alberto et al.'s 2013 BMJ systematic review of 33 randomized controlled trials and 128,000 patients established that increasing potassium intake significantly reduced blood pressure in hypertensive individuals and was associated with a 24% lower risk of stroke. The magnitude of these effects is comparable to first-line antihypertensive pharmacotherapy, yet potassium intake receives a fraction of the clinical attention. This video draws from 5 peer-reviewed studies across nutrients, New England Journal of Medicine, BMJ, Journal of the American Society of Nephrology, and Advances in Nutrition, covering potassium physiology, its cardiovascular and skeletal effects, and the evidence for dietary optimization. The medical approach to potassium deficiency treats it as a clinical emergency, hypokalemia, serum K below 3.5 meq/l, requiring supplementation. But research consistently shows that the functional consequences of chronically low normal potassium, above the clinical threshold but far below optimal intake, produce measurable increases in blood pressure, cardiovascular risk, and bone resorption in millions of Americans who have never received a diagnosis. The sodium-potassium ratio is more predictive of cardiovascular risk than either mineral alone. Apple et al.'s DASH trial showed that the combination of high potassium and low sodium reduced blood pressure by 11 millimeters of mercury systolic in hypertensive adults, equivalent to first-line antihypertensive medication. The Western diet has inverted the ancestral sodium-potassium ratio from 1 to 5 to 5 to 1, a reversal with profound cardiovascular consequences. Potassium deficiency symptoms range from the subtle and widely misattributed to the dramatic and acute. Stone et al.'s Nutrients Review documented that even modest chronic shortfalls produce measurable physiological effects across cardiovascular, muscular, renal, and skeletal systems. Apple et al.'s 1997 named DASH trial remains the definitive evidence for dietary potassium's blood pressure impact. The trial randomized 459 adults with blood pressure averaging 131.3-84.7 mmHg to control diet, high fruit and vegetable diet, or full DASH diet for 8 weeks. The DASH diet, characterized by high potassium, 4,700 milligrams per day, magnesium, and calcium, produced the largest blood pressure reductions. The adequate intake for potassium is 4,700 milligrams per day for adults, a level achieved by fewer than 5% of American adults. Weaver's Advances in Nutrition Review documented that bone health is among the least recognized benefits of adequate potassium. Potassium reduces urinary calcium excretion by alkalinizing the blood, effectively reducing bone resorption driven by the acid-base effects of protein metabolism. Dietary sources of potassium vary considerably in their per-serving content. Understanding the highest density sources allows practical meal planning to close the gap between typical American intake and the adequate intake target. Potassium's cardiovascular and physiological effects operate through multiple simultaneous mechanisms. Understanding these pathways explains why potassium is so fundamental to health and why deficiency produces effects across multiple organ systems simultaneously. Correcting potassium deficiency is straightforward through dietary means. The framework focuses on systematically adding the highest potassium foods to daily meals rather than relying on supplements, which are limited to 99 milligrams per dose by FDA regulations. Potassium status improvement through dietary change produces measurable physiological changes on a relatively rapid timeline, faster than most other dietary interventions. Reaching 4,700 milligrams potassium daily requires systematic food selection but is entirely achievable without supplements for most people. These 6 daily actions provide a practical path to adequate intake. Potassium optimization must be personalized based on kidney function and medication use. High potassium intake is beneficial for most people but potentially dangerous for specific populations. Potassium deficiency is one of the most consequential and overlooked nutrition gaps in the United States. Here is what the science shows. The evidence is clear. The mechanism is understood. And fixing potassium deficiency is within reach for anyone who knows which foods to prioritize. Follow MedBrief Today for more science-backed health insights, explained clearly.